Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Google Play gift card how to redeem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Google Play gift card, the first method that you can do is redeem on your Android device. So simply head over and open up your Google Play Store. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside, select payment and subscriptions, and inside payments and subscriptions you'll find an option that says redeem gift code. Simply enter the gift card code exactly as shown and then simply tap on redeem, and your balance will be updated and you can start using it to buy apps, games, movies or other content. Then next method is redeem on your computer. Simply head over and on the search bar type in play.google.com/redeem and then simply log in with your Google account. Then you'll be prompted or seeing a page like this on your screen, and all you gotta do now is enter the gift card code and then simply click on redeem, and your Google Play balance will be updated immediately. And make sure you are signed in with the Google account you wanted the balance to go. Enter the code exactly as printed including letters and numbers, and Google Play gift cards are region specific. Make sure the card matches your account country. After redeeming, your balance will be applied automatically at checkout when buying apps, games or content. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.